Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake using a deep fryer. First, let's get organized. You'll need common kitchen staples like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, milk, and eggs. For frying, choose a neutral oil like vegetable, canola, or peanut oil. Most importantly, use a deep, heavy pot or a dedicated deep fryer to ensure safe and even cooking. Having these basics ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Setting up your deep fryer correctly is crucial for perfect funnel cakes. Begin by filling your pot with about 1.5 to 2 inches of a neutral oil, ensuring there's enough depth for the cakes to float. Next, heat the oil to a precise temperature between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is key for achieving that golden, crispy texture. Always use a reliable thermometer to monitor the oil, as maintaining the correct temperature prevents your funnel cakes from becoming either soggy or burnt. Now for the fun part, the batter and frying. Your batter should be smooth, with a consistency similar to a thick pancake batter, allowing it to flow easily. When the oil is ready, carefully pour about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of batter through a funnel or a squeeze bottle. Create a circular pattern, then crisscross over itself to form the classic funnel cake shape. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until it achieves a beautiful golden brown and crispy finish. Remember to work quickly for the best results. Once your funnel cakes are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the oil using tongs or a spider skimmer. Place them on a paper, towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. The final touch is a generous dusting of powdered sugar, or you can get creative with other toppings like fruit or chocolate sauce. Serve them immediately while they are warm for the best taste and texture. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade funnel cakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.